Hello guys, we are going to Sky to Wenda. Yeah, to rebirth this. Rebirth, yeah. We don't need to rebirth first. Wait, I need to rebirth. Yeah, yeah, easy now. And we need 9,000 to buy Mr. So let's train that. Oh no, why I click this? And we need to save it. Or maybe I need to revert again. So wait, sign. What is? Assignment is 5 rebirth. Assignment is 5 rebirth. We need to rebirth 20,000. So we need to get 20,000 to rebirth. Rebirth 5 to get Simon. Look, I can do this. It's easy now. Plus 9. Plus 5. It's easy now. And die, son, die. Die, Sky. You are very cute, but you need to die. You like to buy me? You like to equip me? Sorry guys, I make that sound. Wait, it's 75. We need 160,000. Escape, Mr. Sun. It's not. Who will die? Would like to equip me? No. Okay, we need to get to the 160,000 to escape. It's so hard. And their police. Okay, I am making a part 2, but we get this. Yeah, need to get that. So I need to get 600 and 160. Yeah, we in 100. And now we can afford therefore do like Okay, bye. Make it part 2.